Hello students, once again it's Aditya Vikram with all of you with yet another lesson of Flamingo of class 12, and this time we are going to discuss indigo, and today we will discuss some of the important characters of this lesson indigo. And I am pretty sure once you people go through this entire video, there is no doubt that anything vital remains unrevised. Okay, so go through this entire video and hopefully you will be able to answer any question that is asked in the examination. The first character that we are introduced in the lesson is of Rajkumar Shukla. Rajkumar Shukla is basically a poor peasant from Champaran. He is illiterate, but he is resilient. He backs Mahatma Gandhi to come over to Champaran and do something to solve their problem. But Gandhiji, as he had so many appointments in different parts of the country, could not fix a date. He did not lose hope. Rajkumar Shukla did not lose hope. He accompanied Gandhiji, anywhere he went, followed him. Later on, Gandhiji was impressed by his tenacity, by his problem, and then he, he kind of asked Rajkumar Shukla to see him in Calcutta. Another quality that Rajkumar Shukla has, he is a daring person. If he had not been a daring person, he would not have come to Lucknow to meet Gandhiji, to request him to solve his problem, because in those days it was absolutely impossible to raise even the problem you have. And moreover, Rajkumar Shukla is punctual also. He was there at the appointed place where Gandhiji had instructed him. So we find all these qualities in Rajkumar Shukla. We also come to know about Professor J.B. Kriplani. Professor J.B. Kriplani was in Arts College in Muzaffarpur. He had met Gandhiji in Santiniketan. He was a very big follower of Mahatma Gandhi, and he came to receive Gandhiji at the station at the midnight. That shows what great regards, what great respect Professor J.B. Kriplani had for Mahatma Gandhi. Moreover, I should tell you that Professor J.B. Kriplani was the President of Congress when India became free in 1947. There is one more very important character, that is Professor Malkani. Professor Malkani was a teacher in a government school. No doubt he is a very big follower of Mahatma Gandhi, but moreover he is a very daring, very bold person. Those days, as Gandhiji mentions it, it was impossible to show even any sympathy to the followers of, to the advocates of Home Rule. But not only gave shelter to Mahatma Gandhi, but rendered whatever support he could. So you can say that Professor Malkani also plays a very important role in this Champaran episode. Then we have Dr. Rajendra Prasad. We are all aware about such a great personality as Rajendra Prasad, since he was the first president of the free India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was down to earth and was a very big follower of Mahatma Gandhi and very noted lawyer of Bihar. he went to render all help to Mahatma Gandhi when Gandhiji was in trouble with the authorities there, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad discussed the strategy with other allies of Bihar, and finally they decided that they would all court arrest in case Gandhiji was arrested. So you can say Dr. Rajendra Prasad has also a great importance in this relation Indigo. We should not forget the role played by Kasturba Gandhi, the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Though she is not recognized as a political leader much, but she was always there with Gandhiji to render whatever support she could. And here in this relation, we come to know that she talks to the women of the villages there and teaches them a very good lesson on hygiene and the personal cleanliness, and she advises them to keep the surroundings clean. And in this way, she carried forward the message of Mahatma Gandhi to the people, especially the women of the nearby villages. Students, there is one more very important character in this lesson, and he is Charles Frere Andrews. Andrews was an Englishman. He was a pacifist, means lover of peace, and he was also a very big follower of Mahatma Gandhi. And he was ready to help Gandhiji in the Champaran episode, and even some leaders were really very anxious to have Charles Frere on their side. But Gandhiji was vehemently against it. He thought if he used Charles Frere Andrews as a prop against the mighty Britishers, it would be really very shameful. Since Gandhiji believed that he and all other Indians were fighting for a noble cause, there was no need to take the help of Charles Frere Andrews. Charles Frere Andrews was no doubt a missionary, and he had great love for the Indians, and he wanted no doubt to help the Indians in whatever problems they were. But Gandhiji, by not taking the help of Charles Frere Andrews, taught the Indians a lesson about the self-reliance. Friends, we must not forget that indigo cropping is also like a character, because the entire relation revolves around indigo. As you have all read, that according to a settlement, the peasants of Champaran were bound to grow indigo in 15% of the land. An entire produce was given to the planters as revenue. This indigo cropping was not pleasing, it was in fact irksome to the peasants. Meanwhile, the indigo planters came to know that Germany had developed synthetic indigo, which was cheaper. And what the planters did, they exempted the peasants from growing indigo, and instead they started demanding revenue in cash. In the beginning, the peasants were very happy because they did not like to grow indigo, and they signed the contract, a new contract. But when they came to know about the synthetic indigo, they felt that the planters had cheated them, and they started demanding their money back, and here the problem started. So you can say indigo cropping itself is like a very powerful character which sets the scene for all this conflict between the peasants and the the great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. And finally, the most important character of this lesson, Mahatma Gandhi. This Champaran episode was like a turning point for Mahatma Gandhi, as he was almost new to the Indian scene. Before that, he had been in South Africa, where he had tested his methods of truth and non-violence and that of Satyagraha. But here, this Champaran episode made him popular among all the Indians. Gandhiji had the qualities of head and heart. He was a fearless person. He was not afraid of anything and anybody. Since he believed that he was fighting for truth, he was fighting for a noble cause. And he came to the conclusion that peasants need not go to the court. It served no purpose, where the peasants were crushed and fear stricken. So he taught the people a lesson about fearlessness. Secondly, Gandhiji was a man who relied on himself in his personal approach, in personal might, his resolution. He never thought of using any person for his interest or for the interest of the Indians, as he refused to take the help of Charles Friar Andrews in their unequal fight with the British planters. And he taught a very powerful lesson to all the Indians. He said, if you are fighting for a noble cause, there is no need to take the help of anybody. If you take the help of anybody, that shows the weakness of your heart. Next, Gandhiji was not just a political person. Gandhiji was an educationist. Gandhiji was a social reformer. He was very much worried about the state of cleanliness in the areas where he visited. And especially in Champaran, he taught the people lesson on personal cleanliness, on hygiene. And he wanted that the education level of the people should improve there. For that, he hired the doctors. He, in fact, even requested his wife to go to the women nearby and teach them a good lesson. And Gandhiji did all his best. And in this way, we come to know that Gandhiji had so many qualities. And one more quality which makes him different from all of the leaders is that he used to say, service to the mankind is service to the God. Okay? And he chose it deliberately to serve to the humanity. And there he got the peace of his mind. He was very satisfied. So students, if you go through this entire video about indigo, I am pretty sure that you will feel that no aspect of this lesson is untouched, and you will be confident when you enter the examination room to answer the questions in the written form there. Thank you very much. Good luck, all of you.